Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the store location on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is loaded, look for the address displayed prominently at the very top of your home screen. Tapping on this address is your initial step, and it will seamlessly transition you to the location selection interface, allowing you to begin the process of updating your delivery area. After tapping your current address, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can type in your new desired delivery address. As you type, DoorDash will provide a list of suggested locations. Carefully select the precise address that matches your new spot. Once you've confirmed your selection, the app will automatically update to show stores and restaurants available in your newly chosen area, making your ordering experience much more relevant. Alternatively, if you are physically present at your new desired delivery spot, you can simply tap the Use Current Location option. Your device might ask for permission to access your location services. Please grant this to the DoorDash app. Once permission is given, the application will automatically detect your precise GPS coordinates and set your current physical location as the new delivery address, offering maximum convenience. After selecting or confirming your new address, take a moment to review the updated store listings on your DoorDash home screen. This ensures that the app is now displaying restaurants and shops relevant to your chosen area. Your new location is automatically saved for future orders, so you won't need to re-enter it immediately. Remember, you can easily repeat these steps to change your delivery location whenever your needs or whereabouts shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.